It's customary for companies to check the references you provide when applying for a job. Did you expect them to check your credit report? A credit report is a file on you, your accounts, and your payment history. The data is collected when you first apply for a credit card, a loan, insurance, lease, or a job. The credit reporting agencies gather and sell your information to lenders. The three major agencies are Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Make sure to get copies of your credit report by checking the link in the description below. It is vital for you to establish and maintain good credit for the following reasons. Number 1. A credit report is a record of where you work and live, how you pay your bills, and if you have been sued, arrested, or filed for bankruptcy. Number 2. Employers can legally look at your credit report if you sign an authorization form when you apply for a job. Employers look at your credit record to gauge your personal integrity and financial honesty. However, you can refuse to sign the form, but consequently, a company may assume that you have something to hide. Number 3. Insurance companies, banks, and landlords look at your credit report for the same reasons. Your landlord, just as financial creditors, are also trying to assess if you will be a good tenant. How to establish a good credit history? The first step is to get experience by repaying debt. Repaying your debt on time is the basis for a good credit rating and a positive credit profile. So, how do you begin the process? Number 1. Open a saving or checking account at your local bank. Number 2. Apply for a credit card. There are many types of credit cards: retail cards, gasoline or oil company cards, and prepaid cards. Retail store and gas cards may be much easier to obtain than your regular bank credit cards. Number 3. Apply for a secured credit card. A secured credit card requires some form of collateral. You may be required to maintain a savings account with a balance equal to the credit card limit. Make sure to shop around or check the description below for more information on how you can get a secured credit card. Number 4. Apply for a co-signed loan. If you need a loan and don't qualify for one on your own merit, a co-signed loan may be an option. A relative with an established credit rating can help you get a loan and share the responsibility. Most young individuals finance new or used cars with co-signed loans. Now, let's talk about your credit score. Your credit score is a cumulative number that represents what you have done in the world of credit. The credit score is a predictor of how likely you are to be financially responsible and repay your debt. How is your credit score calculated? Number 1. Your credit score is calculated as follows. 35% is based on payment history, 30% is outstanding debt and how much credit is already available, 15% is based on the length of time you have had credit, 10% is based on the number of inquiries into your report, and 10% is based on current types of credit. Number 2. To build a good credit history, open a checking or savings account, and for your first credit card, consider tying it to these accounts. You could also obtain a small loan, such as a used car loan, and have a co-signer with good credit to help you. This way you can piggyback on the great credit history. Number 3. Credit scores are numbers ranging from 300 to 850. A credit score of 720 or above is good and will allow you to get approved for loans with better interest rates. How do you raise your credit score? Number 1. Pay your bills on time. Number 2. Check your credit report once a year to review for errors or inaccuracies. To get your free annual credit report, you can visit www.annualcreditreport.com, or you can get monthly updates of your credit report by clicking the link below in the description. Number 3. Pay close attention to your credit. If you are only able to pay the minimum payment if you pay late, or if you use credit for everyday expenses, you're in trouble. Number 4. Create a budget and stick to it. It may be difficult when you first get started. A budget is the first step to financial freedom. If you need help with creating your first budget, I will have a link to a video on budgeting, so make sure to watch it till the end. Alternatively, start by writing down what you spend for a month or two. You will be amazed at how much you spend. If you found value so far, hit the like button, and the notification bell so you will be notified of my latest videos. Make sure to hit the subscribe button as well, and I thank you in advance for helping grow this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Click to watch that video now and I will see you there.